The Xiaomi sub-brand Poco has launched its new affordable 5G phone under C-series in India called Poco C85x. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Poco C85x 5G features a tall 6.9-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 800 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by UniSoC T8300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 4GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Poco C85x 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 32-megapixel main camera, along with the unspecified secondary lens, and for selfies it has 8-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center. The device comes backed by a massive 6,300 mAh battery, with 15 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 16, based on HyperOS 3 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 171.56 by 79.47 by 8.15mm, and it weighs around 210 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Poco C85x 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 10,999 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 11,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from March 14th in black, gold, and green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Poco C85x 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.